Hi, guys.
Hello, Diggs. What brings you around here?
Oh, I just thought I'd come and watch you two at work.
Oh.
You don't mind?
Oh, how could I possibly deny you the chance to learn from the masters?
Yay, thanks.
Here's how the older machines get things done.
Top gear.
Under one, under two, under three. Oh no! The embankment is collapsing!
I'll go and get Boza.
I don't think there's time for that!
Oh, I've got an idea.
Do it, Diggs!
Right, here I go.
Oh, I say, brilliant work, Diggs. You handled that like an older machine.
Really? Do you mean it?
Oh yeah, that was not the action of a new machine. Diggs, you are one of us.
I say, how would you like to help us out over here? Then, idle with us later. Mate?
Oh, yes, please. Whoopee! Whoopee!
Excuse me, but what is with all the whoopee?
Nothing. I mean, no problem, guys.
Oh, top gear. Okay, Carl, let's finish the rest of that wall.
Hiya.
Okay, see you later, Diggs.
Hi, Diggs.
Hello, Carrie. Scooch.
Diggs, what's wrong with your voice?
Oh,
Never mind that. What's up?
We've got a little job to do. Want to join us? It should be fun.
A little job, eh? Well, I'd like to help you, but I'm with the older machines now.
You? With the older machines?
Yeah, we're working together.
Oh, well, maybe after you'd finish, you'd like to come and play with us.
Play? Well, I'd like to, but later I'm idling with the big boys.
Wow! What are you going to do?
Oh, you know, older stuff. Whatever that is.
Well, don't let us stand in your way, big buckets. We'll just go off and play Hot Chunk without you.
Hot Chunk? You're going to play Hot Chunk? My favourite game?
Scooch and I will anyway.
Well, so what? I'll be having more fun with the big machines.
Thanks for helping to shore up the embankment, Diggs.
Yep.
Oh, no problem. Whew, I never realised how hard you older machines work.
Oh, that's why we look forward to idle time.
Oh, yeah, so do I. What are we going to do?
Well, after a long, hard day's work, we like to get down and...
Talk about work.
Talk about work.
Yes, you know, stories about jobs we've done in the past.
Oh, okay.
Well, go ahead, Diggs. You start.
Yes.
Well, once, Carrie and Scooch and I were doing a job and we all started belching up smoke.
Oh.
And we forgot to finish the job. Isn't that funny?
What is so funny about not finishing a job? Am I missing the funny here?
Well, charming. Anyway, well, once I was asked to take a load of boulders down a mountain. And I did it. One after another, after another.
Oh, this is fascinating. Don't you think so, Diggs?
Oh, yeah. So fascinating that I'd like to go away and think about it for a while.
Well, hurry back. You don't want to miss my story about the time I hoisted 150 crossbeams, one after another, after another, after another, after another.
Idling with the big machines is not what I thought it was going to be like. Hey, maybe it's not too late to get in on that game of Hot Chunk with Carrie and Scooch. Oh no, they're already playing.
Oh, Scooch is burning my fork.
Oh, they probably wouldn't want anything to do with me anyway. Now I'm an older machine.
Well, don't pass it to me. I just passed it to you.
But who can I pass it to? Diggs isn't here.
Well, then pass it to that wooden pallet.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Hot chunk, hot chunk. There. It's yours.
We need Diggs to play with us.
Oh, I say, Diggs, you should have heard Carl's beam lifting story. He lifted 150 beams, one after another.
After another, after another.
Oh, Diggs, what's wrong? You don't seem to be enjoying idle time with us.
Oh, it's not you guys. It's just I'm used to playing games with...
Carrie and Scooch.
But it's all right. You've probably got hundreds of other stories to tell, right?
Oh, at least.
Oh.
Diggs, don't you find our stories exciting?
Oh, they're exciting. They're just so grown up. I guess I don't understand them yet.
Listen, Diggs, do you want to go off and play with the other new machines?
You won't mind, will you?
No.
Of course not.
Oh, good. Because I don't think I'm ready to be an old machine. At least, not all of the time.
Maybe not, but when you are, you'll be a great one.
Hi, guys.
Oh, hello, Diggs. What happened? Did the old machine stump you?
No, I miss playing with you lot.
Really?
Oh, good, because we really need you.
We don't really need him. That is, unless he's interested in playing a game of Hot Chunk. Then we need him.
So, are you Diggs?
Oh, yeah!
Great! Okay.
So, Diggs, what was it like hanging around with the older machine?
Oh, pretty cool. But we have more fun than they do. Hot Chunk! Hot Chunk!
Hot Chunk! Hot Chunk! Hot Chunk! Hot Chunk!